If you've never used the Backlink Gap Tool, this can really make a big difference in discovering backlinks that your competitors have that you don't. It just saves a ton of time because you can just literally see, oh, look, these are all the backlinks they have that we don't, and we can go out and get backlinks from these places and ultimately outrank our competitors. So I'm gonna, if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up so you can try all these tools out. But once you get into Semrush, if you come over to SEO and then to Backlink Gap, that will be where you'll kick this whole thing off. And in this example, I just used Best Buy as if like we're the owners of Best Buy. And then Office Depot, which is probably one of the top competitors, I would say. Then I'm going to click search. I just hit enter and it's going to go ahead and pull this backlink gap up. You can add more people in here. You can add other, it'll even like suggest, like Newegg is a big company in this space. You can drop them in here as well. And then if you look at this chart, you can look at the chart to see kind of how everything's trending over time, which would be really helpful. And then for prospects, this is showing us that like if we own bestbuy.com and our competitors are Office Depot and Newegg, these are the potential backlinks we could acquire that our competitors also have that we do not have, right? And there's 17,000 of them. So we could export this to an Excel file and save that and process it. But this is sort of filtered out as well. That was actually just the best backlinks. There's really 68,000 potential backlinks. But if we just go for the best ones, which are going to be the ones with like the highest authority, if you will, the most volume, and it's matching the most number of competitors, but not our site. This is going to give us that kind of, you know, metric, that set of backlinks to go acquire. You can even click start outreach. I have a whole video on my channel about how to use the backlink tool in here to go acquire backlinks. Pretty awesome feature that they have. But the first thing is to figure out what backlinks you want to go get, and then you can start reaching out to people to go get those backlinks. And that's really where the backlink gap comes into play. Again, it's pretty straightforward. There are only really a couple other things to consider, which is using some of these filters. So authority score is really important with backlinks. And depending on what industry you're in, some backlinks may be like super high authority. Sometimes they're going to be a lot of lower authority backlinks. But you can customize the range and say, maybe, you know, we only want ones that are between 40 and 50. Those are going to be more attainable, but also, you know, get us some good authority. And then we can export that list of almost 1,000 domains, reach out to those websites using this outreach tool, and then ultimately start acquiring more backlinks, get more authority built up on our site, and start outranking our competitors, generating more revenue, and the rest is history. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.